Well, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you a jump start. So first open the hood, and then towards the passenger side. You should see your battery located here with your positive terminal and your negative terminal. And you can always double check on the battery itself as well, because there'll be a negative sign here and a positive sign over here. Next, I would check for any corrosion built up on these terminals, and if there are, you could clean them with a good brush or rag. After that, I would check to make sure these are tight, because if they're loose, you want to tighten them up so there's a good connection for the metal. And after that, then take your jump box or your jumper cables, and you'll take the red positive metal clamps and connect them directly to this metal with as much metal contact as you can get. And then your negative clamps directly to this metal here, as much as you can on the negative side. And if you're using jumper cables running to another vehicle, make sure the vehicle is turned on with the motor running. And you want to make sure your positive leads directly to the positive on the other vehicle, and your negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. You never want to cross them by mistake, where say you have a positive leading to the negative on the other vehicle, because that could cause damage to your computer systems, electronics, fuses, things like that. But all that said, once you've had this connected to those jumper cables, and after a few minutes or so, hopefully that's given you enough charge. If you've been trying for quite a while and still no success with a good connection, then you might need to replace this battery, which fortunately this is pretty accessible. You just need to loosen these connections to get them off so this battery is free. And then you'll just lift this old battery out, put your new battery in, and then at that point, just reconnect everything nice and tight, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.